While staying right there, many Nigerians and human rights organizations are celebrating the court judgment in the murder of a female banker by her husband. Titi Arowolo, who was killed in 2011, became the face of domestic violence in Nigeria due to the violent nature of her killing. Jacqueline Ogoh reports from Lagos.
I can't die. I did not kill her.
It all began in 2011 when Nigerians woke up to the news of the murder of a 29-year-old banker and a mother of one, Titi Arowolo, who was stabbed 76 times by her husband in their home, according to court investigations. The case drew bold headlines in the newspapers around the country. The story went viral on social media. Civil rights groups saw it as one murder too many, and Lagos state government promised the agitated public that a thorough investigation would be conducted. Neighbors said the late Titi and her husband frequently had domestic disputes. Her husband, Jacqueline Ogoh, a youth pastor, was arrested and the court process began. Jacqueline argued that his wife killed herself, but the judge ruled that no human being could continuously stab herself for up to 76 times. Based on overwhelming evidence, High Court Judge Mrs. Latifat Okono sentenced Jacqueline Arowolo to death by hanging for the murder of his wife. The women's rights NGO Project Alert on Violence Against Women had organized mass rallies in Lagos to create more awareness on the case. Now the group is convinced the judgment marks the end of the belief that perpetrators of domestic crimes can go free.
For me, that ruling is about hope for victims of domestic violence. That ruling, that judgment, is sending out a strong message to Nigerians and to those who indulge in wife battering or spousal battering or domestic violence of any kind, that domestic violence does not pay.
Out on the streets, there were diverse reactions to the judgment. While some blamed the crime on demonic possession, many gave kudos to the judiciary, advising it to keep up the good work and to ensure injustice has no place in the Nigerian society.
He should die by hanging, because I think that would be a lesson to every individual that are doing such. Because if it's a woman that does that, I think the same judgment should be passed across.
My wife nagged. My wife got me angry every time. But I've not laid my finger on her for one day. And I'm still trying not to do it. Not that I'm not angry, but I've not done that. Men that does that should be arrested.
It doesn't end there. Because we still have a lot of other women out there who are not bold enough, who are not literate enough to come out and speak. Women who are being maltreated, victimized, oppressed by their husbands, but out of fear, they can't speak. So the government, even the non-governmental organization, need to reach out to women like that.
Judgment has been pronounced. Lawyers say they may appeal the verdict, but Titi Arowolo is dead, and the life of the toddler she left behind will never be the same. Nigerians are hoping for a big change in the nation's domestic violence statistics because of the warning message sent by this case. From Lagos, Nigeria, Jacqueline Ogoh, reporting for VOA News.